I'm John Harvey with eCapital Advisors, and I'm here with Mike Casey. Mike, do you want to introduce yourself?
Sure, my name is Mike Casey. I'm with Oracle, and I work primarily on integration products, the data management feature, and also on-premise FDM-EE.
So Mike and I are going to be talking about roadmap for Oracle's data integration products. Mike, do you have something you'd like to say before?
I do have a little something I'd like to say, and it is one of my favorite things. Before we get started, because we will be talking about forward-looking features, I want to read our safe harbor statement, which says, the following is intended to outline our general product direction. It is intended for information purposes only and may not be incorporated into any contract. It is not a commitment to deliver any material, code, or functionality, and should not be relied upon in making purchasing decisions. The development, release, and timing of any features or functionality described for Oracle's products remains at the sole discretion of Oracle.
All right.
All right, now we can begin.
Now we got that out of the way. So
All right.
Mike, can you tell us about what recent enhancements or what's been new lately in the data integration space?
A lot of the new things we've released, the ability to import metadata via file. We've upgraded our HCM integration to include metadata when you're integrating from HCM Cloud to ePBCS. We've got our newly released NetSuite integration, which also includes metadata. We can import text data into the application. And then some of the newer things for the cloud are we're working on a simplified UI look and feel that will eventually replace the workspace look and feel for data management. We're looking at doing incremental file loads, so you can take a file, we can take that file again, and only import those things that have changed.
Oh,
so customer doesn't have to figure out how to do incremental extraction.
Sure.
Looking at more of the subledger integrations. One of the things that will really, I think, set us apart is we're looking at doing an on-prem agent where we can connect directly from data management in the cloud to an on-premise agent that the user can drop on, then write the code to extract their data. They will call from the cloud.
Nice.
Which I think will be really cool.
Yeah.
And then some other features, import simplification. We have a lot of customers who import data, but there's some overhead in data management for it, so we want to be able to take a file, eliminate a lot of that overhead, and just push that file into the cloud.
Gotcha.
So as long as your file is in the format required for the cloud, we can just take it and push it right in.
Cool.
So hopefully that'll speed things up.
So as a current NetSuite customer, I've had the opportunity to use the NetSuite integration, and it works out pretty slick. Are there plans to expand integration to other vendors like Salesforce or?
For the third parties that are non-Oracle branded, we hope to be able to implement some sort of API integration with the EPM Cloud. So we're thinking about that. But really, the NetSuite integration, the way we did it is the way that we want to do it for future Oracle branded systems, where you can create some kind of report or save search and then surface that in data management and easily bring over any data you want. Because we get requests for subledger, we get requests for interest rates, we get requests for any data that you have in those systems, but it's hard to build an adapter specifically for those systems.
Sure.
But if we let the user define the data that they want to pull, then we can just bring in whatever they want.
Gotcha, so that's sort of the blueprint going forward.
That's the blueprint going forward, and wish we had done this sooner. I wish we had seen the NetSuite model sooner.
Gotcha, all right. You know, another question that I've heard from a number of clients, will FDM-EE support, or will cloud data management support scripting someday?
Yes, and that's been one of our highest priority enhancements, but we haven't scheduled it yet. But it still is on the books, and it's something that every customer wants to be able to do.
Gotcha. And along the lines of scripting, you know, I know Jython is currently the language of choice. Will there be support for Groovy in the future?
Right now, the idea is that we would look at using Groovy first for that. So hopefully it will be a Groovy approach.
Gotcha.
We don't know when it's coming, but we really do want to do something like that. Everyone is asking for it.
All right. Sounds great. Well, thanks for taking the time to sit down with me, and we'll talk to you soon.
Okay. See you at the event.